David and
Nice,
Victoria
Harpy.
Beckham are one of those
Happy
celebrity couples that
fireworks
have been
night.
with each other
Oh.
so long that you
Love
can't
ya.
help but say their
Love
names
you.
together.
more.
Impossible.
It
Possible.
doesn't take much to recognize the extent of David Beckham and wife Victoria Beckham's love for their 4 kids and love sharing their mischievous moments on social media. Harper is the only daughter born into the Beckham brood, and by the looks of David's Instagram, she's certainly very attached to her dad.
Nice, Harpy. Happy fireworks night. Oh. Love ya.
Love you.
Love you more.
Impossible.
Possible.